Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to do this video because Roger contacted me just now by telephone. Dell Canada is down. That's where they get their internet provider from, and it's been down since 4 o'clock this morning. So Roger didn't do his show today due to the internet down, and he's probably looking midnight, maybe. The guy that he spoke to said no guarantee. So we're the drone network. He's the Canadian drone network. He reaches out and we get this out for him to let people know that Roger and Kim have no internet right now. If you see anybody he said, if you see anybody in there like from Canada that we know, that's probably because they're on Quebec. He said he's with Dell Canada and it's down. So I'm gonna let you guys know, if you don't see Roger and Kim, they have not disappeared. They have not killed each other by flying drones into each other. Yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, guys, this video is just to give you guys a heads up that Roger and Kim will be back. Their internet has been down. So Roger, I thought I'd do this video for you, brother. That way you don't have to sweat nothing. You know the family's here. They're waiting for you to come back. So everybody has issues and it goes down. I had to go out and find some work today. So I haven't been around today pretty much, and I'll probably not be around tomorrow because I have a job to get done now. So there's things come up you have to get done, so everyone understands. So yes, Roger, Kim, they'll be back. They're just going, their internet's down right now. So, and old Droner his show is not, it's going to be off right now. He's having health issues. Nothing I don't think is bad. He's just having trouble with his back and stuff, and he's in a lot of pain, and it's a lot to be on live stream.